Okay, here's one, a brand that I have a few items from in boxer briefs, and I actually really like the quality. I hate the logo, but the quality is great. And they've had thongs for the longest time, and I've just been putting off buying them because I didn't want to spend any more money. And they have this massive logo, but xTremen is the logo, the brand. And so they toned down the logo a little bit, and it's blended into the same color as the band. But it's that's what it is. Standard T-back thong. Got another branding thing up front. Pouch. Not all cotton, but mixed. Medium size. They do fit good. And what I did is I bought this pack. I have white, black, and gray. Actually, I got a large here. Tanga Brasileira, white, gray, black. And this is about 30 bucks. And I'm happy I got these. These are great. This is a good alternative to the Emporio Armani, Diesel, thongs, that zone. So I also recommend these. If anything, the pouch might be, there could be some spillage here, but try it out. And I have found that this brand runs large. So my normal size is a medium. I got large. The boxer briefs I have are actually extra large that I got kind of by accident, and they're great. They feel very comfortable, high quality materials. So if you want to see this, let me know. Also recommend these. They also come in many different colors.